A gentle pull, from apples to orbits. Have you ever watched a bright red apple fall from a tree branch? It tumbles through the air with a little spin, and then lands on the soft green grass with a gentle thud. It never falls up. Far, far above that apple tree, the big bright moon hangs in the dark night sky. It watches over the world, but it never seems to fall down to earth. How can the apple fall while the moon stays up there? This is the wonderful, amazing story of gravity, a quiet, invisible pull that shapes everything in our world. It is a story that takes us on a journey from simple apples right up to the amazing orbits of the planets. This special pull, gravity, is like an invisible secret the universe shares with everything. Starting small, the everyday magic of gravity. Let's start with things we see every day, right here in our own homes and backyards. Take a small toy like a little car or a building block, and hold it in your hand. Now, open your fingers and just let it go. Plink, it drops straight down to the floor. It doesn't float up to the ceiling or zip across the room. That is gravity at work, pulling the toy toward the center of the earth. It does this with everything, all the time. When you throw a ball, it sails upward and forward, then curves back down. Every curve you see, a ball, a fountain, even your highest jump, is gravity drawing graceful arcs. For a split second you're flying, and then gravity brings you home. Walking is just a series of little controlled falls. Earth's big hug, feeling the pull. Our planet is incredibly big and heavy. Giant rocks, deep oceans, miles of dirt. Because it's so massive, its pull is strong for us on its surface. Think of Earth's gravity as a big, warm, constant hug that holds everything close. No matter where you are, North America, Europe, Australia, down is always beneath your feet. When you step on a scale, that number measures how strongly Earth is pulling on you, your weight. The stuff inside you, bones, muscles, everything, is your mass. Your mass is the same everywhere, but your weight changes with gravity. On the moon, you'd feel lighter and jump super high. Lift a heavy box, you're working against gravity. Go down a slide, you let gravity do the work. Lean to one side and feel gravity tug. Your body balances you back. Now, let's think about that big, beautiful moon again. If Earth's gravity is so strong, why doesn't the moon crash down like the apple? The secret is a magical combination of two things, gravity and speed. The moon is always falling toward Earth, but it's also moving sideways very, very fast. As it falls, the Earth curves away beneath it, so it keeps falling, but it keeps missing. This continuous falling and missing is what we call an orbit. Imagine you're on a mountain so tall it pokes into space. Drop a baseball, it falls straight to the base. Throw it a little, it travels, then curves down. Throw it incredibly fast. So fast the round Earth curves away at the same rate it falls. It keeps going, falling every second but never getting closer. It's in orbit. That's what the moon does. Gravity pulls inward, speed carries sideways, forever circling in a graceful dance. Here's another way to picture an orbit, a little game you can try with a grown-up. Swing the ball in a circle. You feel it pull outward. It wants to fly straight. The string pulls inward, keeping it turning. It's a tug of war. Forward motion versus inward pull. This is the perfect model for gravity in orbits. The ball is like a moon or planet, and your hand is like Earth or the sun. Let go of the string and the ball flies straight. No orbit. Gravity is the universe's invisible string. We launch satellites fast enough that Earth's gravity curves their path into an orbit. They take pictures, help with directions, and beam TV shows. Too slow and gravity wins. Too fast and it escapes. Just right and it orbits for years and years. That balanced dance keeps our solar system running smoothly. Gravity's reach is not just about orbits. It can move oceans too. The moon, even far away, pulls on Earth. Imagine its gravity as a gentle whisper calling water closer. This pull makes a bulge of water, a high tide, on the side facing the moon. As Earth spins, different places move into and out of the bulge. There's also a bulge on the far side, because Earth is pulled toward the moon, and the far water lags a bit. Most coasts see 2 high tides each day. Between bulges, the water is lower, low tide. The sun is bigger but farther, so its tide pull is weaker. When the sun, Earth, and moon line up, their pulls add together. That makes extra high highs and extra low lows, a powerful, predictable rhythm. Across hundreds of thousands of miles of space, gravity choreographs a dance of water for our world. Let's play another game to see how speed creates an orbit. First, a gentle toss. It flies a few feet, curves down, and lands. Throw faster and it goes farther, maybe halfway around the little planet. The faster you throw, the longer speed fights gravity's pull. Now use your full power. It starts to fall, but the planet curves away at the exact same rate. It flies over the horizon and zips right behind your head. You did it. You put it into a perfect orbit, falling forever, never landing unless it hits something. That's how satellites work. Rockets give them the sideways speed so Earth's pull bends the path into a circle. They keep falling around and around, taking pictures and sending signals back to us. Speed plus gravity, the ultimate team-up. Gravity does more than make things fall. It builds the universe. In enormous cold clouds, gravity pulled tiny bits together into bigger clumps. Like rolling a snowball, the bigger it gets, the more it gathers. One clump grew hot and dense until it ignited. Our sun was born. Farther out, smaller clumps swept up dust, clearing paths. Over millions of years, those clumps became the planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and the giant worlds beyond. Gravity is the reason we have a solar system at all. It holds the sun together, holds Earth together, and even pulled you together from the food you ate. It's the architect of galaxies and the creator of stars. Gravity gave the universe its shape, its beauty, and its wonder. From the soft thud of a falling apple to the silent, looping dance of the planets around the sun, gravity is the invisible thread that ties the whole universe together. It's so simple you can feel it in a jump, yet so powerful it can build entire galaxies. It gives us a down to stand on and an up to look toward. It holds our oceans, wraps our atmosphere like a blanket, and keeps the moon as our companion. It lets juice stay in a glass and your blanket rest on you at night. So, the next time you drop something, see a reminder of the force holding your world together. The same pull in your feet reaches across space to guide moons, planets, and stars in a timeless dance. Gravity links you to Earth, Earth to the sun, and the sun to the galaxy.